Okay, once you download your video from your email, go to your downloads folder. That would be in your Finder. So in your Finder, go to your downloads folder, double click on your video. It will bring up QuickTime Player. So in QuickTime Player, you can now edit your video. So mine is 11 seconds. I need to get rid of 6 seconds. So go up to Edit, Trim, and then you're just going to take these yellow sliders and move it until you get to 5 seconds. So I could take some off the back, some off the front, and then hit trim. Okay, so now I know that it's 5 seconds, and now you're going to save it. So go to File, Save. Make sure it's going into your folder, and title of video, put it in your folder, save it. Okay, now we're going to go into Photoshop. Go to File, Import, Video Frames to Layers. Find that video you just saved, so that's in my folder. I'm going to hit Open, and then you're going to limit it to every 2 frames. Hit OK. Okay, so now it is brought in my video. I have 77 layers, which is a few too many, and my frames are at the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group my layers. So my first layer is highlighted. Scroll all the way to the top, hold down the Shift key, click on the top layer. Now they're all highlighted. You're going to hit Command G to group them. Okay, so it grouped them all, but now I just lost all my frames down here. So again, your first frame is clicked, scroll all the way to the end, Shift click on the last frame. Then just go to your group layer and turn it off and turn it back on. And now all my frames appear. So now I need to get rid of 27 frames. So I'm just going to go over and watch your video, pay attention. Maybe you take it off the front end, maybe you take it off the back end. I'm going to hold down the Shift key again, click. So now frames 50 to 77 are highlighted. All the rest of them are not. And I'm just going to click on the trash can down here. And it's going to say, do you want to delete those frames? Yes, I do. And now I'm down to 49 frames. So I'm perfect. I'm going to start by clicking on frame 1. I'm going to add a new layer over here. So I'm on frame 1. I've added a new layer. And now I can start drawing on that layer. So I'm going to draw. I'm going to go to frame 2. Can I go to frame 2? Okay, and I'm going to make another new layer. And I'm going to draw on frame 2. Okay. Make it prettier than mine. Then I'm going to go to frame 3 and make another new layer. So every frame you need to make a new layer.